Guys, John here from the Bratwood Train Vlogs channel, and today I'm doing buses at Woy Woy. We'll only see buses in this video. And to start off our video, there's 1182. I just have 1182 XY on busways. Now, Gosford busways, registration 7434 MO. It was doing school bus 2527. It is a MAN Bus Tech Mark 4. It's Bus Tech Mark 4 and on an MAN 18320 HSCL now chassis. And over there we have a custom catalyst 228 on a Mercedes-Benz 0405 chassis. Did a run 70 to Woy Woy number, weight number 342, registration 7062 MO. And over there, waiting to do I don't know what run, is 1029. It's an MAN Bus Tech Mark 3 on an MAN 18. It's a Bus Tech Mark 3 on an MAN 18320 HOCL RNL chassis. Plate number 1029. Registration 6827 MO. Don't know what's run it's doing. And over there we have a Scania. We have a custom catalyst CB60 on the right once we see the right tip of it. Right. Great, so there it is. A custom catalyst CB60 on the Scania K330 UB chassis. Yep. Fleet number 799 by the looks of it. It's doing a 55 to 81 beats. Yep, 799. Registration 6553 MO. And here we have another Bus Tech. It is a MAN Bus Tech. It's a Bus Tech Mark 3 on an MAN 18310 HSCL RNF. Fleet number 1018. Registration 6731 MO. Registration, if I didn't mention, 6731 MO. And here we have an XPT. Don't know what the leads cars are. And over there we have another MAN. We have another Bus Tech Mark 4 on an MAN 18320 HOCL chassis. Fleet number 1177. Don't know what run it's doing. I will find that out when it comes back. Alright, here it comes round. It's doing a 57. Registration 7431 MO. And there we have H30. Just H30 on the central set. There goes 1182 on its 58. It's covering for the 111 shift. And there we have another the same buses I just saw. Funny. Custom coaches CB60 Evo 2 on an MAN 19320 HOCL RNL chassis. Fleet number is at this point is unknown. It is doing a 50. It is probably part of the double up, which occurs with a banger and a low floor. Judging by the 1217 fleet number, fleet number 1217 registration is 8349 MO. It's probably part of the double up, which contains a banger and a low floor. And judging by the bus it is, the banger is probably going to be a low floor as well. So it's a low floor double up. Yay! Not. I like bangers. I like the Merc. And not really the Scanias, but the Mercs more than the Scanias. I don't mind them. So yeah. Over there we have 342. It is a Mercedes-Benz 0405 custom catalyst 228. it's doing a set down only. The low floor picks up the passengers. I don't know why, but that it has its reasons. Sorry. Yeah, my bus. It should have been a 64 about 2 minutes ago. It's probably running late as usual. Because so before the 64 that comes at 4:22, used to be on time. But then for some reason they decided, like, it was a thing on public runs, you had to complete your whole run, no shortcuts, no skipping stops. It wasn't a thing on school runs, but then one day, for some reason, boom, they decided that you have to complete your whole run, even on a school run. You can't go to your next one early, you can't skip stops and all that shit, you can't take diversions, all that. Oh, that's Tony. That's my main man. 1182 on us. He's doing a 64. I'll ask him about that. Just give me a sec. This one's the only bus that features one of those lights in it. Here we have a Custom Coasters 228 on a Mercedes-Benz 0405 Mark II Turbo chassis. Fleet number 344.